Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here because your Dyson fan is flashing that pesky E7 error code in 2025, you're in the right place. This issue can be a real buzzkill on a hot day, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get it fixed quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the E7 error? In Dyson fans, the E7 code usually signals a problem with airflow or overheating. It might mean your filter is clogged, there's a blockage in the air path, or even that the fan's internal sensor is acting up. This error is common in models like the Dyson Pure Cool or Hot Plus Cool, especially if they haven't been maintained properly. Now, let's get to the fixes. Start by unplugging your Dyson fan from the power source and letting it sit for a few minutes. This simple reset can sometimes clear the error right away. Next, check and clean the filter. Dust and debris buildup is a major culprit. Remove the filter, give it a good wash with water, and let it dry completely before putting it back. Make sure there are no obstructions around the fan, like furniture blocking the vents or pet hair tangled inside. If that doesn't do the trick, try a full reset. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds while it's unplugged, then plug it back in and turn it on. Still seeing E7? It could be a more serious issue, like a faulty motor or sensor, so it's time to contact Dyson support. They offer great customer service and might even send a replacement part. To prevent this error in the future, regularly clean your fan every few weeks, especially if you live in a dusty area. Keep it in a well-ventilated space and avoid running it on high for extended periods without breaks. There you have it, your complete guide to tackling the E7 error on your Dyson fan. I hope this helps you get back to enjoying that cool breeze in no time. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.